Hi friends, welcome back to Baran Creations Art, Craft and Cooking. In this video I will show you how to make face mask using cloth bag. So let's start to make face mask. First you need cloth bag. Cut it into square like this according to your size. And then if the cloth is thin, then you need to take two layers, and if it is thick then you can go with a single layer. Now let's double fold the edges and sieve it. Double fold like this and then sieve it. Now repeat the same on the other side. I have stitched on both the sides. Now you need to stitch here. Repeat the same on the other side. After stitching you need to fold like this. And then stitch on both the sides. Now stitch it. Stitch it on both the sides. Now take 4 pieces of cloth, double fold it. So now repeat the same for rest 3 cloths. 3 pieces of cloths. See, I have made 4 belts. Now what you need to do is fold this and then sieve it. See, fold like this and sieve it. Fold and sieve it on both the sides. Now let's attach these belts. See, like this. Then on the other side we'll attach the belts. So keep it like this and then sieve it. Attach the belts on both the sides and the mask is ready. And the face mask is ready. I hope this video was useful to you all. If you like this video, hit thumbs up, like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Hit bell icon to get notified. Thanks for watching.